Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question. 2 power x equals to square root of 4 factorial. Let's provide solution very quickly, and then first thing here is to copy what we have 2 power x, which is equal to square root of 4 factorial. Right, then here we shall say we have to here 2 power x, which is equal to square root of 4 factorial. We shall say firstly 2 power x, which is equal to square root of 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 2 power x, which is equal to 24 square root. Then here at this stage, in order to move this root we have here, we shall square both sides to get 2 power x, then square, which is equal to 24, and this is equal to 2 power 2x, which is equal to 24. Alright, this is what we have right here. And even when we want to remove this one, this is what we have here. We shall say, by come up to the what we have seen above, we have 2 power 2x, then power 1 over 2, which is equal to 24 power 1 over 2, and of course here we shall remain with 2, which is equal to 2 power x, which is equal to 24 power 1 over 2, and of course here 2 power x will be this 24. We can find prime factorization of this 24, which is equal to 8 times 3 and 2 power 3 times 3, then power 1 over 2. This is 8 times 3, which is equal to 24. And then after, we shall apply here logarithm of 2 power x, which equals to logarithm of 2 power 3 times 3. Right, at this stage we have here x logarithm of 2 power x, which is equal to, then here we have 1 over 2, that is 1 over 2, then logarithm of this 2 power 3, then plus logarithm of 3, as we have seen right here. Then at this stage, what can we do? Here we shall divide logarithm of 2, and of course here divide logarithm of 2, and this is equals to x, which is equal to 1 over 2, then open bracket of 3 logarithm of 2 over logarithm of 2 for this one, plus logarithm of 3 over logarithm of 2. Then this is equal to x, which is equal to 1 over 2, open bracket of this and this to get 3, plus logarithm of 3 to the base 2, close bracket. And of course the final answer, x will be 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 logarithm of 3 to the base 2 as the final solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.